This video is how to take a cylinder and on the flat sides, radius. I just updated to a 4.3.2 in Blender and things have changed. I couldn't do this before, but now I can. Let's take a quick look. So here you see, I'm going to open it up on 4.3.2. There's the default cube. Let's go ahead and delete that. Let's go up. We'll add a cylinder. Let's change the dimensions of that. Let's click down there on the vertices. I'm going to change it to 64. I want to make just a basic cylinder. So the radius, I'm going to change it to 10. That means the overall dimension would be 20 mils wide. Let's do 20 mil tall. Let's back out a little bit so we can see the whole thing. And yeah, there we go. So you can see that. I want to put a radius on that right there. And so here we go. We're going to go up, go to edit mode. I'm trying to select the vertices. Oh, and there we go. All right. So I'm going to select just one edge at a time. Well, if you do Shift and Alt, you can select the whole top and the whole bottom. Then you grab that arm right there. You twist it down with the left key, hold it down, and spin the wheel. And now you can radius it. You couldn't do it before, but now you can. And there you go. Hope you enjoy.